Tesla's working to make Steam video games work in its vehicles. Oh, that's about time. Because they were showing off Cyberpunk when they first showed the new interior for Model S and X. Remember that? And they had a controller and everything.
Mm-hmm.
And a lot of people were like, when's that happening? I guess we have a little update there. Previously reported, Tesla has a team of software engineers working on video games in Seattle. You know who else is in Seattle? You know who else is in Seattle?
Oh.
Microsoft.
Oh, okay.
I wonder if there's any connection. The automaker has been building a video game platform called Tesla Arcade inside its vehicles, and it has been working with video game studios to port games to it. They're actually in a slightly different location in Washington, but for all intents and purposes, they have near Seattle. They have operations in Seattle.
Oh, I see.
I've been to Seattle. I didn't go to their HQ, but I talked to a lot of people from Microsoft when I was there.
Did you visited the Starbucks?
You know what else I had? Yeah, I visited the first Starbucks, but you know what else I did? Is I had amazing sushi in Seattle. Just want to put that out there.
Okay.
And the roll that I got, maybe I told you this before.
Which one?
I'm not going to remember the name of the place, so I can't shout it out, but the roll was called a Street Fighter.
Really?
It's called a Street Fighter roll.
Oh, okay. I'll find out the restaurant.
Will
if
you?
You want me to?
You think based on that name?
Yeah.
You think they're the only ones that ever attempted it?
If it was so good.
Ooh. You know what? It was highly rated, that place. Okay, here he goes. I don't know. Let's see. Will's going. Often Will doesn't even want to Google. He exhales and everything.
Yeah.
But this really got him going because he's like, maybe I got to go to Seattle and get this roll right here.
I like sushi.
Street Fighter. Is that place? Yeah, that's it.
Umisaki House?
Yeah, that's
What? Did he
there.
find
He found it, yeah.
Done.
So look at
I'm
that.
there.
779 reviews. Okay. And 4.5 stars.
Well, that looks delicious.
And this person also likes the Street Fighter. That's their favorite as well. Best sushi in Seattle. I mean, it was quite a scene over there.
Umisaki House.
Check it out, guys. Listen, it's number 42 of all the restaurants in Seattle. Then there's like over 3,300 here on TripAdvisor. So,
okay.
that was a little side note, but we just got to give you the recommendation. I don't know. You might be there or near there. Anyway, they're in Seattle, not for the sushi, although they might have the sushi as well, but they're working on a new gaming platform. Tesla CEO Elon Musk has been indicating recently he believes entertainment will be critical when cars drive themselves. Well, that's absolutely true. Might as well start working on it right now. It's a beautiful display in that Tesla. Wouldn't you agree, Mo?
Mm-hmm.
As you just look at the display.
You know, I love the fact that you can play games in that Tesla.
You can play games. You can put the fireplace.
Yeah, it's so much fun.
You can just, when you're waiting, if I'm waiting for people, like I got to pick up somebody, kids or whatever.
Or food.
And then I just play some Netflix or whatever. You know, imagine if I had my Tesla, not my truck, Will, I would have been watching episode 1 Kanye documentary on the nice screen with the sound system.
Wasted opportunity.
If I had just had that one, they got to get me that Cybertruck already because then the winter's over here.
Yeah.
And then they give me the Cybertruck and I got the interior from that car. But all of a sudden I got the tires that I need and I got the room for all the gear and I'm out there in public. Elon, help me out, man. I know you only got one. You're driving it in Austin and everything else. And let's make a deal, man.
All right.
Come on. I'll meet you in Miami at the next Donda listening party.
Yeah.
And don't worry, I won't be betting the farm on crypto. I'll just bet the farm on Cybertruck.
Mm-hmm.
I promise.
There you go.
I promise.